Namaste my dear friends, welcome to Technical Yoga Guruji English channel. Today practice Yoga Nindrasana. First technique, lie down on the back side and then both knee bent and slowly lock your right heel and push your right leg behind the neck under your shoulder, and opposite leg fold and cross leg. And both hands backside your buttock, interlock finger and join both palm. Namaskar Mudra. This poses benefits your spine flexible and your gastric problem relief. This one advanced front postures and limitations and precaution. Hernia and high blood pressure patient not apply this asana. Like my videos, share my videos. Thank you very much.